Areca-Tree, Literary Toolbox.
What's a metaphor for?
Just need to know what's a metaphor for.
A metaphor is a way to describe something by saying it is something else, even though it's not. Instead of saying something directly, you make a picture in someone's mind by saying it's like something else. Still unsure what a metaphor is for? Well, I brought a few friends along to help make it clearer.
For example, take the metaphor, his heart is a lion. It's comparing his heart to a lion. It's fierce and strong. Get it?
Metaphors use imagination to paint pictures with words. Like the stars danced in the sky. Can you picture it?
This is my little sister Layla. Her smile is bright sunshine. Her laughter is floating bubbles. Uh-oh. She has the speed of a rabbit.
Remember, when you say something is something else to give it more meaning, that's a metaphor. Imagine your words are paintbrushes and metaphors are the colors you use to make your writing more interesting. Now you know.
That's what a
That's what a metaphor is for.